Hello everyone, I'm back. If you wonder where I was in the recent month, I became a father. Sorry if I didn't upload new videos, I was pretty busy. But the show must go on. And for the great comeback, a great recipe. Caponata, a Sicilian traditional dish. Let's see how to do it. Cut the aubergines in big cubes, place them in a bowl and add salt. This will help to drain out the bitter water from them and will reduce the oil absorption during the frying. Place something heavy on the top and let it rest for a few hours. Remove the bottom part and the leaves from a celery and chop them. Peel and chop the onions in big chunks and sweat them in olive oil. Add a bit of salt and cook them until the color becomes translucent. In the same time, remove the seeds from the green olives. For optimal taste, make sure to choose a good quality of olives. Place the capers in fresh water to remove the salty brine and add them to the olives. This ingredient will be cooked together in 2 stages. In boiling water, cook the celery and after 5 minutes add the olives and capers into it. Cook it until the celery is al dente. Once the onions are light in color, add half glass of white wine vinegar. I didn't have, so I add apple vinegar. It works well too, and add 2 spoons of sugar. Cook it until the vinegar evaporates, and add the cooked celery mix into it. Add 2 spoons of tomato paste and a bit of cooked water. Add fresh water until the veg are covered. Cook it until the onions are soft and a creamy sauce forms. Turn off the stove. Now it's time to remove the aubergines from our little aquarium. Dry them on a tray with kitchen paper and discard the bitter liquid. Fry them in hot sunflower oil. To check if the oil is hot enough, place 1 cube in it. If it bubbles, it's ready. When they turn gold, place them on a kitchen paper and salt them. Add the aubergines bit by bit into the base sauce and combine them together. Adjust with salt and it's done. I know you're tempted to eat it now, but let it rest in the fridge overnight. The next day it will taste even better. This dish perfectly balances sweet, sour, bitter and salty. Enjoy a taste of Sicily. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Check out my channel for more recipes. So, 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone.
This is what.
Stai arrivando.
this, and if you want me to take him out, let me know.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone, I'm back. If you wonder where I was in the recent months,
If I wonder where I was in the recent months, Bimbo qua.
Bimbo, aspetta.
Via.
Aspetta Bimbo.
Cambio.
Aspetta Bimbo. Ora ti faccio venire in camera, aspetta un attimo. Stavo registrando.
Guardiamo papà.
Ciao bimbo mio. Hello everyone. Caponata, a traditional Sicilian dish. Let's see how to do it. Sorry if I didn't upload the new videos, but I was pretty busy. But the show must go on. I think it's fun.
It's funny. You just need to be more natural, because you already became a father. It's not fake.
I just borrow a random child.
It looks a moment like you borrow a random child.
Let's see if I can do one good one. Hello everyone, I'm back. If you wonder where I was in the recent month, I became a father. Sorry if I didn't upload new videos, I was pretty busy. But the show must go on. And for the great comeback, a great recipe. Caponata. And I screw up.
It was nice because he smiled.
Again.